Hello, a warm welcome. Many people go to gym every day, but very few people actually know how to warm up properly. As a personal trainer, I see three common patterns in the gym. One group does something really quick in the name of warm up, like some push-ups, some running, maybe some squats, and they jump straight into heavy lifting. Another group skips warm up completely. They start lifting heavy right away they enter the gym and leave as soon as the workout is done. And then there are another group of people who actually want to warm up properly, but they don't know what to do, where to start, and what actually matters. If you fall in any of these three groups, this video is for you. Today I'm not showing random warm-up exercises. I'll show you a clear blueprint to prepare your body for any workout, whether you're lifting heavy, just doing your cardio, or just about to start your session. First, we'll focus on mobilizing the major joints like your ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, wrist, and neck. Because if your joints don't move well, their muscles will compensate, and that's when problem starts. After that, we'll work on stretching and squeezing the muscles from calves, thighs, hamstrings, glutes to abs, chest, back, shoulders, and arms. All these will improve your blood flow and establish good mind-muscle connection. Once your joints are mobile and muscles are activated, your body is finally ready for warm-up exercises that actually makes sense. And after that, in the next phase, I'll talk about core activation, something most people completely ignore, but it's the foundation of safe and strong lifting. So if you want to lift better, feel stronger, and keep yourself safe from injuries in the long run, don't skip that part. So let's start by preparing the body the right way. Now that joint mobility is done and the muscles are stretched and squeezed properly, it's time for warm-up exercises. At this stage, the goal is not to get tired. The goal is to raise your blood temperature slightly, increase your blood flow, and get your breathing a bit elevated without exhausting yourself. So if you're doing an upper body workout, warm-up exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, ball slams, battle weight ropes, arm circles, plank to shoulder taps would be very, very effective. And if you're doing a lower body workout, body weight squats, walking lunges, leg swings, leg curls, knee taps, butt kicks would be amazing choices. I personally recommend choosing 3 to 4 warm-up exercises only, doing 10 to 12 reps and not more than 2 to 3 rounds each. Also remember, this is a warm-up, not your workout. So if you feel tired or out of breath, you're doing too much. Now that the warm-up exercises are done, we move into the most important part, core activation. When I ask gym goers what is core, they point to their abs and say, this is my core. But technically, the core is more than just abs. Most influencers nowadays talk a lot about core engagement, but very few people explain what that really means. When all the muscles from your neck down to your knee are activated properly, your whole body works together as one strong, stable unit. And that's what core activation is all about. To understand better, let me give you a practical example. Imagine you're standing and a friend of yours is about to punch you very hard in your stomach. When he's about to punch, when the punch is about to land, what would you do? Would you only squeeze your abs? No. You squeeze your entire body, your arms, your back, your abs, your glutes, your chest, even your legs to protect yourself from the impact. That full body tension, that squeeze from neck to knee actually is core activation. When you squeeze your body like this and make it work as single unit, it becomes strong, stable, and protective. And this is how you activate and engage your core. Once this is done, you are truly, truly ready to hit the floor and unleash your inner beast. At the end, I believe that this piece of information is going to be very, very helpful in your fitness journey. See you in my next video with another piece of information. Till then, keep lifting, keep rocking. See you again.